Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to sync music to pictures on TikTok. So if you also want to sync music to pictures on TikTok, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So when you upload pictures on TikTok with music, the music and pictures might not be syncing. So it is very easy to sync the music to pictures. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open TikTok application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here TikTok application has been opened. So in order to add the pictures, what you have to do is tap on the add icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the photo icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to select the photos over here. So from here you'll be able to select the pictures that you want to add. But before selecting the picture, also make sure to select one video. Simply tap on the video. After that, simply tap on the pictures that you want to add. Now after that, what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can add a sound over here. Simply tap on the option add sound. Now from here, you'll be able to add the sound. Simply tap on the sound that you want to add. Now that particular sound will be added. So in order to sync music to pictures, what you have to do is tap on the adjust clip icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now go ahead and delete the video that we added earlier. Simply tap on that video. After that add button, you'll be able to find several options. Tap on the delete option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now the video will be deleted. Now only pictures will be left. Now you'll be able to adjust the pictures according to the music. You can see over here, you'll be able to increase the time of the picture. You can also decrease the time of the picture according to the music. Like this, you'll be able to sync the music. Now after that, the pictures and music will be synced according to your choice. Now you can go ahead and post the video if you want. Simply tap on the next option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now from here, you can proceed to post this video, or you can also save this video in the draft. So that is how you sync music to pictures on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.